Hi everyone, this is Javier at Keeper & Co. Today we're going to be showing you how to screen print on hats using your Captain Platen Kit 4 station, and we're going to be showing you a scenario on how you can achieve it at your screen print shop. Let's get to it. So our scenario today is a customer calls your shop and they want a dozen hats. It's going to be a 2-color job and they want 12 hats in total. Before you start printing, you're going to want to grab one of your old used screens to put it inside of your press and see where it would land so you can measure out where you would want to put your film. And it doesn't have to be exact, it's just to give you a good idea on where to place the film, and then you can do your little micro adjustments to put it perfectly. For this job, you're going to need your Captain Platen and your master bracket. And if you have a quick release on your screen print press, you can also use our bracket for quick release. One thing that we found best was to tape a hat so you can do a dummy test on top of the tape and you don't have to waste a hat. This is best to get an accurate idea of where the off contact is going to be for your print. For maximum efficiency, we found it best to undo the back and to take out the hat inserts before you print. For maximum efficiency, you want to have one person loading the hat while the other one prints. Some of the benefits for the Captain Platen Kit 4 station is that you can screen print directly onto the hat. So you don't have to rely on transfer papers at all. You can have it all in-house and use the exact same equipment that you have in your shop. One other thing is you can use specialty inks on hats such as puff, glitter, glow-in-the-dark, discharge, and thermoreactive. And now there is no need for adhesive, and also you never need to heat up the pallets before you start your job. Alright friends, thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see what more Platens can do, go ahead and check us out on Instagram at Keeper & Co, or click the link in the description below to check out our blog. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and we'll get back to you. See you next time!